Hey everybody, hope you're all doing well and ready to learn about Pancake Hand. I'm feeling the baseball today, so I'm wearing my Wonderbat t-shirts and my Nashville Sounds cap. I have some Wonderbat t-shirts and trucker hats left, so if you want to get some, especially baseball season is upon us and it's summer. So if you want to get a trucker hat or a Wonderbat shirt, check out the links. If you're watching this on YouTube, check out the links in the description. And if you're watching this on Facebook, then I will try to remember to put the links in the description there, but you can also find them at playnately.com and at thenately.com. All right, so short and sweet today, hold the pancakes. Don't have pancake hand. So I'm going to show you what pancake hand is. Pancake hand is when your hand does this. And a lot of people play that way, and there are a few good players who do this. But they are few and far between, which tells you that your chances of learning to play really well with your wrist looking like this are not good, because the vast majority of great fiddle players play with their wrist like this. So we call it pancake hand because it's flat like a pancake, and this is what it looks like. Looks like that. And we don't want that at all. The reason is it shortens your finger's effective length. And it makes it where your fingers can't really arch and come over the top of the strings very well. It also causes a lot of strain throughout the arm and can cause a lot of wrist pain. So that difference, that reduced amount of reach, means it's going to be even harder to play with your pinky. But if you straighten out the wrist, now the fingers can reach really well, and they can come in with a nice arch to them like that. Going back to pancake hand here, see what it did to my fingers? It pulled them way over here. Makes it really hard to deal with. So that's the message for the day. Don't have pancake hand. Now, if you already have a habit for pancake hand, don't worry, you can reverse it. And what you can do is just gradually practice holding your fiddle and just putting your hand there. And do that for a few weeks or a month if you need to. Just practice putting your hand there. And then practice playing one note. And you'll know your wrist is right if it looks really natural. Like if you were just like, hey, how's it going? That's what your wrist should look like. And then you just turn it slightly to bring it to the fiddle. And that's what it should look like. So you start with just practicing putting up your hand like that. And then you practice playing a single note. And you work your way to another note and another note until you're playing eventually whole songs without pancake hand. So hold the pancakes. Please don't use pancake hand. And I'll see you all in the next video.